Good evening, dear students. So today we will learn the topic nature of roots of quadratic equation. Exclusively based on nature of roots, how the questions are framed. Last class we have learned what do we mean by the nature of root and how the nature of roots are predicted. But if the condition over nature of roots are given, then certain other unknown can be calculated. So how to calculate that? So it is again a part of our quadratic formula. Our quadratic formula that we have learned, that for any quadratic equation in a standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. The value of x can be calculated by knowing the coefficients of x, x square and constant term, and it is given by minus b, once for plus and other for minus, under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Sometimes it is also written as, means this b square minus 4ac is called as d. So we are writing this d as b square minus 4ac. So therefore this x can directly be written as minus b plus minus under root of d by 2a. So very first thing for applying this quadratic formula is that you have to calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. This value of b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Why? It is differentiating and it is giving the idea about the nature of roots. A student, while calculating this d, so it gives us the nature of root. And we have learned this nature of root could be real. Even if it is the real, then it is possible that real and equal root, or maybe unequal. It is one thing. Another, these two equal or unequal, maybe for the rational and also for the irrational. For the irrational roots. Another is even the non-real. Non-real simply means it is imaginary root. A student, last day we have learned and we have concluded the entire analysis of nature of roots in a table. That table is very important and you always keep in mind. That table should be on your fingertips. तभी आप ये क्वेश्चन कर पाएंगे. So nature of root means root are of the following type that I have listed. Means these are the four things. For equal and real roots, the discriminant value is always 0. For real and unequal roots, it is our d is greater than 0 and perfect root or perfect square. Means d itself is a perfect square. Say b square minus 4ac calculation is coming as 4, or b square minus 4ac calculation is coming as 81. So under root of 81 will give us 9. By that way we can get the rational root, but they are unequal. The another one is irrational, when d is greater and not perfect. And this is imaginary if d is less than 0. So these two are for the rational, because both rational and irrational are included in real, but imaginary or non-real are is entirely different category. So it is this one. A student, if the roots are equal at this time, we can convert the given quadratic equation as a perfect square also. So equation itself is a perfect square. So it is perfect square equation. This we have also learned. And this is perfect square. In this case, the equation is not perfect square, but roots are unequal, but they are rational. So these are the things. Let me just display once again the table that we have learned last day. वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप उस टेबल को हर हमेशा अपने फिंगर टिप्स पे रखिए, तभी इसके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होते हैं. So the important thing is that you have to keep this in mind. Whatever this formula is there, this is very important. Along with this sign, you have to keep in mind. And another one is this D itself is very important. यहां से यहां तक ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये दो चीज है. स्टूडेंट, यदि आपको ये दो चीजें याद हैं तो बाकी सारे क्वेश्चन आप बहुत इजीली कर पाते हैं. And the other thing is regarding the simplification. So simplification, very first day we have done the analysis. Like we have to find the roots of x minus 1 by x is equals to 3, whether it is a quadratic or not. So the very first thing is you have to convert it in the form of a standard equation ax square plus bx plus c. Then only other kind of analysis you can go. So whether it is given in the form of x plus 1 by x is equals to something, or 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30 also mean the same thing. तो ये सारे के सारे क्वाड्रेटिक के ही क्वेश्चन है. तो सबसे पहला काम रहता है सिंप्लीफिकेशन. आपके सिंप्लीफिकेशन जितने अच्छे हैं, आप चीजों को उतना जल्दी सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. एंड अगेन वी विल से फॉर फाइंडिंग दिस rational and irrational or equal root condition, we have to go for the simplification. And many a time these conditions are already given in question. Means what is basically the topic that we will learn is that, so these conditions will be given. So these are the conditions, these are given in question, but in the same question you will be given with one of the unknown also. Variable need not always be unknown. A constant like p, m, n, q, k, these are the other constant. So these conditions will be given and one unknown also. So this with unknown. Then you have to find the value of this unknown. So how to know this or calculate this unknown quantity? Unknown quantity may be denoted in the term of k और p और m, ऐसे किसी टर्म में डिनोट किए हुए रहेंगे आपके इक्वेशन में. आपको ये कैलकुलेट करना है. ये कैलकुलेशन कैसे किए जाते हैं, ये चीजें आज हम सीखेंगे. स्टूडेंट, तो इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें ये हैं कि rather than a simple equation is given and you have to determine the nature of root, that is one category. Like here in question number 3, here you have to determine the nature of root, find the root, also predict their nature. Means discriminant you also have to calculate, you have to predict the nature, then you have to find. Another category is that these conditions are already given. Say you have to find, see this question number 2, you have to find the value of k when these equations have two equal roots. Means this condition is given, this condition is known to us, and what is unknown? This k is unknown. Means this condition we will apply. While applying these conditions, what is given here or what we have written for over this d, so this d condition, while we will apply for the equal root, then we will get a new equation. So that new equation will be in the term of k only, not in the term of x. By that, we can calculate the unknown k. Okay, student? So this is the ultimate topic that we are going to learn today. But before that, let us recall the table. Last day we have discussed. A student, the entire chart was like this one. So roots can be real or non-real. For non-real, the condition is very simple. B is less than 0, means b square minus 4ac is negative. For real root, d is either greater than 0 or equal to 0. If it is coming as equal to 0, then the roots are equal. But if it is greater than 0, then again it could be the perfect square number or may not be a perfect square number. So if d is equals to 0, the roots are equal, and these two roots can be calculated just by taking the ratio of minus b by 2a. It is this one. If d is greater than 0, means roots are real. If it is the perfect, we can get the rational root. If imperfect, we will get the irrational root. So the same table was presented, or the same chart was presented in this table form, where if d is less than 0, means if b square minus 4ac is negative, the roots are not real. At this time, at your level, this calculation is not required, but in higher level, you can calculate it. If d is equal to 0, then roots are equal. If d is greater than 0, then they are distinct. Again, if it is perfect square, then it will be rational. Not a perfect, then irrational roots. So now, a student, in today's class, we will learn if these conditions are given, means it is given that their roots are equal, then how to apply it, how to calculate the unknowns. So that we are going to learn. So a student, let us go ahead. So a student, please do this question. So starting with this one, so question number 1. You have to calculate the roots, but many a time, or even in previous years, or even last year also, the question was calculate the discriminant of this one. So question was like this one. Find the discriminant of this 2x is equals to under root of 3x plus 1 minus of 2. So the question was like this. You have to calculate the discriminant and give the nature of root, roots. You have to first give the nature of root. If real, then find it. So 3 things are here. This was the question of last year. Not exactly the same question, बट इसी तरीके का एक रूट था और इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन था जिसमें आपको डिस्क्रिमिनेंट पूछा था. ओनली डिस्क्रिमिनेंट वाज आस्क्ड. उससे पहले जैसा हमने 3 पार्ट में लिखा है, ये तीनों ही पार्ट पूछे गए थे. इंटायरली द सेम काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. सो ये कैसे होते हैं? ऑलरेडी आई थिंक वी हैव डन लास्ट डे, बट लेट अस डू इट वंस मोर. A student, I had told you the very first thing is whatever the equation given, you convert it into a standard form, then you can apply the condition about the nature of root, means the discriminant. A student, so what is given here? Given equation is 2x is equals to under root of 3x plus 1 minus of 2. This is the given equation. If this is given, then you have to calculate D. What is discriminant D? Based on D, we can predict the nature of root, and by using this D, and after predicting the nature of root, if it is coming at the real, that can be calculated also. So student, इसके लिए क्या चाहिए? D के लिए पहले अपने को ABCD चाहिए होता है. For calculating this, we need B square minus 4AC. Means I need A, B and C. But this ABC, these are calculated, or these can be written only for the equation in a standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. तो इस फॉर्म में पहले हमें इक्वेशन को कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है. बट हियर नो स्क्वायर टर्म. तो ऐसा लगता है कि स्क्वायर टर्म नहीं है, बट हमने आपको फर्स्ट क्लास में बतलाए थे कि वेर एवर रूट यू हैव टू गेट इट removed by squaring. Wherever some x is in denominator, you have to rearrange it by cross multiplication and other methods to convert it into this quadratic form. तो पहला काम यही करना रहता है. स्टूडेंट, मैं अभी इस रूट को कैसे रिमूव कर सकता हूं? If I am just going for squaring the both side, I cannot remove that root, because at that time this root term will act as a and 2 will act as b. So it will become a minus b whole square term. Still you will get 2ab term where root will remain as it is. For that, the very first step is keep the root alone on one side and transfer all the other constant and variable on other side. So that we are going to do. So this implies 2x minus 2 is equals to under root of 3x plus 1. After this, we have to go for squaring it.
Sir,
This. Yes, tell me.
2x plus 2.
Yes, it is plus 2. Many times pen is not writing. That's why even I'm writing plus, it got missed. So while bringing this 2 from the from the right hand side to left hand side, the sign have changed, so that only root term will remain on one side. Then we are going to square it. After what, we have to go for splitting this square. So it is like a and this term is like b. So you have to use the formula or identity a plus b whole square. So it become 2x square. Can I write it directly? I think in class 9th we have discussed this thing too much. बहुत सारा discuss किया है. So it is like a square plus 2ab, 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, x plus b square. It is like this one is equals to this square and root will be removed, 3x plus 1. Now in next step you have to bring all this on left hand side, so the right hand side only 0 will present. So x square term is only once, so write 4x square. Keep in mind this is 8x, this is 3x. Bringing this on left hand side, the sign will change, means it become 8x minus of 3x, it become 5x. Similarly, bringing the 1 from the right hand side to left hand side, it will be subtracted from the 4, it become 3, it is 0. Now, a student, what is this? This is the main equation. We have to analyze for the given equation, means we have to analyze for the equation, quadratic equation that we have framed after simplification. Then here you have to write for a by comparing with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. This comparison you have to do for ABC. So a is like 4, b is like 5, c is like our 3. A student, now therefore what is required? The very first thing required is calculation of discriminant d. So since d is given by, so write the formula of d, b square minus 4ac. Then you substitute the values. It is our 5 square minus of 4, a is 4, c is 3. A student, if there is any negative sign, you have to take care of those negative sign also. 25 minus, how much is this? 4 4s are 16. 3s are 48. So it is 48. A student, what we are getting? We are getting, I think it is 23 with negative sign. So very interesting. What to say? So the second part is that, so right here, since this D is what? Negative. So negative is written in the symbol form as less than 0. So here you can write it is less than 0. This implies roots are not real. So when the roots are not real, then no need to calculate. Okay. So roots or real roots cannot be calculated. It is basically not possible. So no need to calculate. No root calculation required at your level. ओके स्टूडेंट. सो रूट का कैलकुलेशन आपको नहीं करना रहता है, जस्ट यहीं तक आपने छोड़ दिया, बिकॉज इन द क्वेश्चन इट इज रिटन इफ रियल. सो नॉट रियल, नो नीड टू कैलकुलेट. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. तो इतना सिंपल क्वेश्चन रहता है कि आपको पहले सिंप्लीफाई करने हैं, फिर आपको नेचर ऑफ रूट प्रिडिक्ट करना है. इट वाज वन क्वेश्चन. स्टूडेंट, यू पीपल प्लीज टेल मी क्विकली. डू वन क्वेश्चन. एक क्वेश्चन आप करके दिखाइए ताकि हमें समझ में आए. देन आई विल गो फॉर द अदर. सो फाइंड discriminant for x minus 1 by x is equals to 3. Here x cannot be 0 because in denominator if anything is 0 then it is not defined. Also give nature of root, if real roots then find it. Student, please do it quickly. I will give you 1 minute and you have to post your answer in chat box or in WhatsApp, or quickly you can tell me, because on other screen where chat box is present it is not there. I could not see your face and other things. Do it. We have to calculate the discriminant first. Mean D we want to know.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, D equal to 13.
very good.
Sir, and value of x equal to 3 plus or minus root 13 by 2.
Very good. Other student. So पहले आपको बताया कि जो भी हमारा इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है जिस भी फॉर्म में आप उसे पहले सिंप्लीफाई करें, तब आप इसे D and other thing आप इसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. This is equation, so you have to put the imply symbol. So you have to take the LCM simply. So it becomes x square minus 1 is equals to 3. Ultimately it is like this one, x square minus 1 is equals to 3x. Then you have to bring this 3x on left hand side, writing in the descending power of x. So x square minus of 3x minus of 1. So therefore, here comparing, we are getting A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus of 3, C is also minus of 1. Sign is very important, student. Therefore, discriminant D is given by B square minus 4AC. You always write this formula before substitution. Otherwise, some error may occur. So minus of 3 square minus of 4, A is 1 and C is also minus 1. Student, minus 4 into minus 1 become plus 4. So it is 9 plus 4, it is 13. Very good. So it is our 13. While knowing this, the x can be calculated. Therefore, what is the value of x? It is given by minus of b plus or minus under root of d. Student, while you have already calculated the d, no need to substitute b square minus 4ac. You just substitute d there and divide it by 2a. What are these values? So carry on. B is our minus 3 plus and minus under root of 13 divided by 2 into 1. It is ultimately minus of 3 plus minus under root of 13 by the 2. You can write the two roots separately. It is minus 3 plus under root of 13 by 2. It is one root. The other one is with the negative between the two term in numerator by.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
it will be 3. It will be 3 plus root 13 by 2, not minus 3 plus. सर वो जो रूट्स आपने फाइंड आउट किया है.
हाँ, रूट्स में हमने अंडर रूट इस डी को पुट किया. आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट इट वेयर सम एरर इज देयर. सो माइनस ऑफ बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ बी. So under root of 13 is there and b is minus 3 is there. Before that it is plus minus sign is before the root. So it is there. So minus 3 plus minus under root of 13 divided by 2 into 1. So minus 3 plus minus under root of 13 by 2. Once we are taking the positive sign, so minus 3 plus under root of 13 by 2. Another time the negative sign. So minus 3 plus minus under root of 13 by 2. So plus minus sign is before this bracket. हाँ Lakshmi, what you were asking? I didn't get any error in this. कोई error है क्या? Other student can indicate.
B is equal to minus 3. Minus.
Sorry. Exactly. I got it. So student, B was our minus 3. So one more minus we have to put before this. So it get converted into this plus of 3. Very good. So this minus have to be removed. Okay, it is this one. So it is 3 plus under root of 13 by 2 and 3 minus under root of. Is it okay now? So student, the questions are very simple. Questions are not difficult. ये quadratic equation बहुत simple, बहुत easy chapter है. आपको थोड़ा confidence build करना है. ये simplification आपको समझने हैं. It was about this. Now let us go for the previous year questions and question from your textbook. Student, this question, say question number 2. I am going to solve for the question number 2. You people will solve the question number 3, part 2. I am going to solve for this question number 2. Means you have to calculate the unknown k for which this 2x square plus kx plus 3 have equal root, or kx x minus 2 plus 6 have equal root. So right. So find k or value of k for which this kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0 have equal roots. A student, equal roots or two equal roots mean the same thing. Okay, no? So sometimes it is written as two equal root or roots, and sometimes it is simply written as equal roots, but both mean the same thing. A student, you have to observe it carefully. What is given? So very important thing is you have to apply the condition for equal root, but for equal root the equation should be in standard form so that the d equals to 0 can be equated. What is the given equation is like this one, kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. So first you have to simplify this. Here simplification is also possible. So distributive rule can be applied here. It will get converted into kx square minus of 2kx plus of 6 is equals to 0. Now this you have to compare with the standard form. What is that? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this comparison you have to do. Before converting into a standard form, if you are going to compare, then some error may occur. बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता है कि बच्चे बिना इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट के सोचते हैं ऐसे ऐसे, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ गलतियां हो जाती है. सो ऑलवेज डू वन स्टेप ऑफ सिंप्लीफिकेशन. सो हियर a is like our k, whatever the coefficient of x square. B, along with this sign we have to consider up to x, so it is minus of 2k. C, whatever the constant term, it is 6. Now what is the given condition? So write the condition you have to write for equal roots, d is equals to 0. So it is given in question the root are equal, means this condition is already given, means b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. This is given. Now this b can be replaced by minus of 2k square, minus is the formula, a is our k, and in place of c I can put this 6 is equals to 0. You may carry this bracket, it will be helpful. So this become minus of 2k square, 2 to the 4k square, then this the number or constant will multiply with the constant. So 4 6 is 24, and the sign are always positive because both a and c are positive, and k is still there, it is 0. From this equation, so what we are getting? We are getting a quadratic equation in term of k. स्टूडेंट यहां देखिए क्या है, अभी हम लोग को अभी एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन k के टर्म में मिल गया, न कि x के टर्म में. तो इसे हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? सेम बाय अप्लाइंग द मेथड ऑफ फैक्टराइजेशन और व्हाट एवर द क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला, बोथ ऑफ देम कैन बी अप्लाइड. सो ये देखिए बहुत इजी होता है यदि हम इसे फैक्टराइजेशन में को अप्लाई कर ले. k is common and 4 is also common, so 4k can be taken out, only k will be left here, then minus x is equals to 0. So these are the two factors, one is this, another is this. So quadratic equation is splitted into the product of two linear factors. It is means quadratic equation means right hand side is 0, so each of the linear factor can be equated to 0. स्टूडेंट कैन 4 be equal to 0? 4 क्या 0 के इक्वल हो सकता है? तो 4 तो कभी 0 के इक्वल हो ही नहीं सकता है ना. It is basically 3, one is 4, another is k, another one is this entire bracket. So it is known to everyone that 4 can never be 0. So this tells us either k is equals to 0 or k minus 6 is equals to 0. So from this we can get k is equals to 6. Therefore, what are the possible values of k? So therefore k could be 0 or 6. But a student, answer is not ending here. because whatever the condition is given, whether it is satisfied for both 0 as well as the 6 or not. So that way you have to select whether both are possible or only one is possible. So here you have to verify it. If k is equals to 0, then how is the equation? Equation is our what? Equation is this one. Kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. Equation is what? K means 0 into x, x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. 0 multiplied by anything, all this term becomes 0. Means 6 is equals to 0. Is it possible? Which is not possible. Which is, or this wrong thing arises because of our choice that k is taken as 0, which is not possible. So because of this condition, therefore this k cannot be taken as 0. So that's why this is not possible. Why not possible? I have explained here. Now, if k is equals to 6, then you have to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. While taking k equals to 0, we are getting that 6 equals to 0. It is no longer a quadratic. So we cannot say k equals to 0 is possible. If you are taking this one, then how is the equation? Is 6x x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. Okay? So this implies our 6x square minus of 12, 6 2s are 12, x plus of 6 is equals to 0. Means what is the quadratic equation? That quadratic equation can also be determined and its root can also be determined. So the quadratic equation is like this: x square minus of 2x plus of 1 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic. So therefore k is equals to 6 is possible. And you can also verify that while taking that k equals to 6, these quadratic equation have equal root. What is that? You can also verify. This is nothing but it is x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. It means it is x equals to 1 and 1. These are the two roots. So these roots can also be calculated. The question was to calculate the value of k, but in many time or in many of the question you have to calculate the k, then you also have to calculate the roots. So it is this way you can calculate. So it is the k. Therefore k is equals to 6, only one value, and roots are, what are their roots? 1 and 1. Here we are observing the roots are equal, or two roots are equal. So this way you have to solve it. The question are very simple. So in this question you have to find the value of k for this one have equal root, and also, so increase this question, also find the roots. So if it is asked to find the roots, whatever the step we have done to calculate the value of x exclusively from here, for the k it was this one. It was for finding the roots. So this step is for that one. So this was the question. So questions are very easy. You have to just develop your concepts and you have to develop your confidence. Otherwise ये सारे के सारे question बहुत easy रहते हैं. Student, the notable point is that while applying the condition for d is equals to 0, you will get another quadratic equation most of the time. That again you have to solve it. I have gone here by the factorization method, but you may also go by the other method of applying the quadratic formula for this d itself. So write the method 2. Whatever appear to you convenient, you can apply it for calculation of K. So how this K can be calculated? In this case, you may write capital A is like our 4, B is like our minus of 24, and no constant term, so capital C is like our 0. For calculation of K, I am going to apply the quadratic formula. So X can be calculated. Here in place of X, it is the K. So this K can be calculated by writing minus B plus minus under root of capital B square minus 4AC by 2A. Why I have used the capital symbol? To avoid confusion with the smaller one. A smaller ABC is always taken for the equation in X. इस वाले के लिए हमने इधर ABC लिए हैं, तो इससे कंफ्यूजन नहीं हो जाए करके हमने यहाँ कैपिटल ABC डिनोट किया है स्टूडेंट्स. देखिए, here I have denoted this one with the capital ABC, and I have written the formula for K in place of X. So just go for substituting, you will get the same values of K. See what these are? So it is minus B, so minus of minus 24 plus minus under root minus of 24 square minus 4 into 0. What we are getting? This 4AC term is becoming 0. So 2 into 4. So it becomes plus of 24 from this minus B, but plus minus, it is under root of what? It is under root of minus of 24 square. Or many a time we are just writing 24 square. You will get that both the result will give the same answer. So don't worry for that. Whether you are just writing this as plus 4 square or minus plus of 24 square or minus of 24 square, you will get the same result, because before this root already there is plus minus sign. Even if you are taking the negative, once negative become positive. Even if you are taking the positive, because of this negative sign it become negative. So both the result you will get. By 4 to the 8. So it is how much? 24 plus minus. You are free to use the 24 or minus of 24 by 8. Taking the plus sign, it is 24 minus of 24 by 8. Taking the minus sign, it becomes 24 minus and minus will turn into minus of minus 24. I am changing it to plus of 24 by 8. This what we are getting is this 0. 24 minus 24 is 0. And this what we are getting is 48 divided by 8 is the 6. What we are getting? 0 and 6 we are getting. The same we were getting here also. So a student, you are free to apply either of the method for calculation of this K itself. तो ये चीज आपको ध्यान में रखने रहते हैं कि जब भी आप ऐसा कुछ अप्लाई करें तो आप प्रॉपर तरीके से अप्लाई करें कि कोई एरर नहीं हो. हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, एनी डाउट देन प्लीज आस्क. बोलिए नीरज.
सर ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का सभी क्वेश्चन में पहले जनरल फॉर्मूला लिखना है.
हाँ, जनरल फॉर्मूला लिखने के मार्क्स मिलते हैं. यदि आपके क्वेश्चन 3 मार्क्स के हैं या समझिए 2 मार्क्स के ही हैं, तो राइटिंग दिस जनरल फॉर्मूला मींस x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी अंडर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, ये लिखने के मार्क्स मिलते हैं. यदि आपके कैलकुलेशन रॉन्ग है लेकिन आपने यदि फॉर्मूला लिखे हैं तो आपको 1/2 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. कैलकुलेशन में आंसर कहीं ना कहीं गलती है तो उसके यदि से 1 मार्क्स है तो उधर से हाफ मार्क्स या 1 मार्क्स कट कर दिए जाएंगे. बट इफ यू आर नॉट राइटिंग दिस क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला इटसेल्फ, एट दैट टाइम आपके जो हाफ मार्क्स फॉर्मूला लिखने के वो भी डिडक्ट कर दिए जाते हैं, डायरेक्टली आपको 0 दे दिए जाते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम ऑलवेज एडवाइजिंग टू राइट दिस फॉर्मूला in your answer sheet. आप देखेंगे मार्किंग स्कीम सीबीएसई इज इशूइंग, तो उस मार्किंग स्कीम में आप देखेंगे कि ये जो फॉर्मूला है इसको लिखने के भी आपको मार्क्स मिलते हैं। आई थिंक इट इज विथ मी, ये है अपने पास, बट वेयर इज दैट प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज so huge volume of materials, no, it is quite difficult to search. हम कोशिश करते हैं आपको दिखलाने का भी, just wait. Where it will be, even I also do not know where I can get. इसमें आपके मार्किंग स्कीम के कहीं है क्या? इसमें अपने पास मार्किंग स्कीम नहीं है ना, नो इट इज नॉट देयर. नहीं, यहाँ पे नहीं है आपको, नहीं तो मैं व्हाट्सएप में बाद में पोस्ट करता हूँ. और लेट मी टाइप हियर मार्किंग स्कीम. Means in this folder there is nothing like that. हाँ, ये देखिए साइंस का मार्किंग स्कीम, साइंस का मिला, बट मैथ्स का नहीं मिला लग रहा है. ओके, इट इज समथिंग एल्स इज देयर. तो इसका जो इसमें सॉल्यूशन लिखा रहता है, देखिए यहाँ पे कोई भी आप साइंस को भी आप समझ सकते हैं. while writing is each steps you will get, say this question number 6 is of the 3 marks, you will get in this fashion. Like in this science, in mathematics also there, आपके मैथ्स में भी सेम ही इसी तरीके से स्कीम फॉलो किए जाते हैं. इट इज इन अवर साइंस मैथ्स के मार्किंग स्कीम. I think some folder is being deleted in this because this tab is not working properly. Even I have taken the other tab also. This is not tab, this is the touch screen computer, means laptop. तो इसमें थोड़े से चीजें क्या डिलीट हो गई हैं अपनी, सो हम यहाँ देख नहीं पा रहे हैं. अगेन मार्किंग स्कीम नहीं है अपने पास इसमें, ये तो हम आपको दिखाते. आई विल जस्ट सर्च इट फ्रॉम द अदर सोर्स. हमारे दूसरे कंप्यूटर में रखे हुए हैं ये, हम वहां से आपको सेंड करेंगे. आप देखेंगे फॉर्मूला लिखने के मार्क्स रहते हैं, दैट यू कैन गेट. ओके, लिव इट, हम आपको भेजेंगे. तो ये फॉर्मूला आपको सबको लिखना है बच्चे लोग. फॉर्मूला लिखने के मार्क्स रहते हैं ताकि आपके कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक्स हो तो पूरे के पूरे आपको 0 मार्क्स नहीं मिले. एनी डाउट इन दिस क्वेश्चन देन प्लीज आस्क. नो डाउट. So the thing is that you will get a quadratic equation in K itself, and whatever the value of K that you are getting, this you have to check for each values whether that is true for the given equation or not, whether it is violating any mathematical identity or mathematical condition. Say 6 equals to 0, it is not at all possible, otherwise this is the failure of mathematics. That's why not possible. But 6 equals to 6, but K is equals to 6, that gives us the required result. Even the roots we have also calculated. Student, now let me go for one more question like this. So this way you can calculate, find the value of m so that these have equal roots. Same answer, Same kind of question. Let me write for this one 126 I want to take. Just for your understanding, I will solve one more question. It is important one because the k is distributed here. स्टूडेंट प्लीज सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. आप लोग जरा क्विकली हमें सॉल्व करके दिखाइए. टेक दिस क्वेश्चन एंड सॉल्व इट क्विकली. पोस्ट योर आंसर. स्टूडेंट्स डन.
सर
हाँ बतलाइए नीरज.
सर k का वैल्यू 5 and -3.
वेरी गुड.
So I got the same too. K is equal to 5 and -3.
वेरी गुड. व्हाट एल्स? तस्मय आपका कितना आया? तेजस आप लोग केवल साइलेंट लिसनर है या साइलेंट स्लीपर हैं? आप लोग कर भी रहे हैं कि सो रहे हैं क्या? बतलाइए, आप लोग भी बतलाइए. Very good, student. Here the thing is that it is very simple, but you have to take the proper care while you are searching the ABC. The given equation is this one. It is our k plus 4 of x square plus k plus 1 of x then plus of 1 is equals to 0. It is this one. So students, आप जब यहां पे इसे कंपेयर करेंगे ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c से, तो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि यहां x स्क्वायर में जितने भी चीजें आ रही है दिस इंटायर ब्रैकेट इज लाइक a. So here a is k plus 4, b is k plus 1 and c is 1 only. Okay, for which roots are equal, then you write for equal roots b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. You write this directly or first write d equals to 0 then this one mean the same thing, but at least once you have to write it. So what is b? B is our k plus 1 whole square minus of 4, a is our k plus 1 into 1. Now you have to simplify this to convert it in the term of k square as a quadratic equation. So it will get converted into k square plus 2k plus 1, then minus 4 is there, it will become minus of 4k minus of 4, because into 1 mean the same thing, is equals to 0. Whatever the like terms are there, you have to operate them. So k the same kind of term, they are like term. So k square minus of 2k, and 1 and 5 are the, sorry, 1 and minus 4 are the like term. So that will give us minus of 3 is equals to 0. After this, either you can go by factorization method. Yes, tell me.
So here A is k plus 4 now. So we are written k plus 1 also.
Sorry. You are
So the
correct.
second step.
Yeah. It is, you are correct. So again, misprinting is there. So it is our 4 to the 8. So do the correction. Let me write once more. Substituting wrong again, some wrong thing we have done. Means
So not that one, after 4.
yeah.
4 into 3.
Getting. Just wait. So A, B was correct. So B is our k plus 1. It is this one, minus 4 of A is our k plus 4, this one, and C is our 1 is equals to 0. Go for simplifying this. K square plus of 2k plus of 1 minus of 4k, then minus of, because in between this there is plus sign, minus of 16 is equals to 0. K square 4k and 2k minus of 2k, then it is plus of 1 and minus of 16 will give us minus of 15 is equals to 0. This implies, go for factorization. So 5 3s are 15. So you may go by factorization method or by quadratic formula method. You can get it. Method 1 that may follow is that I can write this k square minus of 5k plus of 3k minus of 15 is equals to 0. So this way I can take the k common. K minus 5 plus 3 can be taken common. K minus 5 is equals to 0. This implies k minus 5 is one of the bracket, the other one is k plus 3 is equals to 0. So this implies either k is equals to minus 5, or means minus 5 will change into plus 5, or the plus of 3 will change into minus of 3. So whether k is equals to 5 minus 3 both are possible or only one is possible, that again you have to substitute it here. So while taking this k is equals to 5, you will get it is a quadratic equation. Even while taking minus 3, you will again get it will remain a quadratic equation, and you will get the root in both the cases are equal. So both are acceptable. You can verify it. The other method of solving this is applying the formula. So what is A? A is like 1. B is like our minus 2, and C is like our minus 15. Therefore, हाँ, माइक्रोफोन समवन इज ऑन. आपके टीवी की आवाज आ रही है. So student, this k can be calculated by taking this minus of minus b, means minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So substituting, we can get minus of minus 2 as plus 2 plus minus under root. I'm going to write it directly. B square means 2a square is 4 and 4ac. So 15, and it is the negative. So turn into plus, it become 60. 4 into 15 is 60 by 2. A is 1. So it is 2 plus minus, it becomes 64 is our 8 by 8. So taking ones as the plus 10 by 8. Why different result we are getting? Some error is there. Or minus 4. Is there some error? 4, 6. Okay, let me verify. Then taking this as minus sign, you will get as minus of 6 by 8. So this time you will get 5 by 4. And this time you will get minus of 3 by 4. Where is the error?
So, sir, denominator it's not 8, it's 2.
Sorry, again the topographic mistake. You are right. So it is not 8. It is not 8. It is 2. Good. So whatever we will get will be the same result. So it is 2. Okay, student. So what we are getting? The k value is same in both the cases. So k doesn't depend on your method. That is the beauty of mathematics. Any doubt, then please ask. No doubt? I don't think any student have any doubt. इस तरीके से आपको कंडीशन को अप्लाई करने हैं एंड आपको कैलकुलेट करने रहेंगे. Students, let me do one more question. Just that will be the last question for today. Or you people please do. See how the questions for these 3 marks and 4 marks are framed. You are able to get it from here. Let me do these 3 questions. You also have to do. In which, based on the condition, you have to prove something. A student, please do this question. So let us solve the question number. This is our CBSE 2017 question. So the given equation was 1 plus m square x square plus 2m and another constant is c into x plus of c square minus of a square is equals to 0. So this equation have equal root. It is given equal root. Then we have to prove or we have to bring the relation between m and c. Then we have to prove that it is our c square is equals to a square 1 plus m square. Here we are observing that whatever the other constants are there, all the constants are interrelated. M was here, m and c was in the middle term or x term, a and c are present in the constant. So all those relation we have to derive. So write down the condition for given that the roots are equal. So for equal root, what we have to apply? D is equals to 0. But before writing for D is equals to 0, we must write for A, B, C, D. So student, आपको जब भी ऐसा मिले तो आप केयरफुली यहाँ A, B, C क्या है ये आप सर्च करेंगे. A, B, C सर्च करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं कि इसे हम ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c के इक्वल्स टू 0 से कंपेयर करते हैं. बट स्टूडेंट टेक केयर, small a, c are present in this one. Means if you compare with the standard quadratic equation which is written as ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, this comparison you have to do. So आपको एक चीजें ध्यान में रखनी है कि जब भी आपके गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में खुद ही abc और स्मॉल abc प्रेजेंट है तब आप इसे बिगर abc के टर्म में लिखें. ओके, सो दिस केयर यू हैव टू टेक. बाय राइटिंग इन दिस टर्म आपसे गलतियां नहीं होंगे. So right here, capital A is the coefficient of x square, 1 plus m square. Capital B is coefficient of x, it is our 2mc, and capital C, so capital C is in the term of a small c, c square minus a square. मैं यदि इसे स्मॉल abc लिखता तो अपने को कंफ्यूजन हो सकता था. So to avoid that confusion, we are writing in the term of, or denoting this in the term of capital ABC. Then we have to write for equal roots, what is required? B square minus 4AC, this have to be equated to 0. Students, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir,
So now we are going to substitute in this. For equal root, discriminant is equated to 0. So that's why I have written in the term of capital ABC. आपको ये सब हैबिट डालने हैं तभी आपको अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे. बहुत बार हमारे बच्चे समझते हैं कि वो ये ऐसे लिखना जरूरी नहीं है, इसीलिए मैथ्स पुअर रह जाते हैं, बिकॉज यू पीपल आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंड और बेसिकली लर्निंग और पुटिंग द हैबिट ऑफ राइटिंग मैथमेटिकल लैंग्वेज. तो आपको ये सुधारना है, और ये हर इस डिनोटेशन के और प्रॉपर लिखने के मार्क्स मिलते हैं आपको. So student, it is our capital B is our 2m. So 2mc whole square minus 4. A is our 1 plus m square. And C is our the other bracket, C square minus of A square. This have to be equated to 0. अभी आपको क्या करना है? What is required? The requirement is to reach up to this one. ये देखिए हमारा requirement ये है कि हम यहां तक पहुंचे. ये क्या है? ये बतलाता है कि C एक साइड रखा गया है और बाकी चीजों को दूसरे साइड भेजा गया है. Means how we can get it? We can get it by simplification of this one. तो अब हम इसे सिंप्लीफाई करना शुरू करते हैं. सिंप्लीफिकेशन आप पे डिपेंड करता है हाउ स्मार्टली यू आर सिंप्लीफाइंग इट. बाय टेकिंग द कॉमन टर्म ऑन वन साइड, सेंडिंग इट बिलो द जीरो, दैट विल लीड टू जीरो. सो दैट इज द बेस्ट टेक्निक. आप जहां होल स्क्वायर है होल स्क्वायर ब्रेक करिए. ऑल दिस थिंग वी हैव टू डू. स्टूडेंट, सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बिकम 2 to the 4 m square C square, because this square is for all the term inside the bracket and it is only one term, so it becomes 4 m square C square minus, what is this? These are the other term that you have to solve. So this is like the product of two bracket. अब आपको इस दो bracket का product लेना ही पड़ेगा और कोई उपाय नहीं है. So minus of 4 means 1 multiplied by this bracket. आप इसे लिख सकते हैं C square minus A square. एक बार ये आएगा, फिर माइनस ऑफ 4 m स्क्वायर आएगा, देन C स्क्वायर माइनस ऑफ A स्क्वायर आएगा. हमने कुछ नहीं किया. आई हैव अप्लाइड द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. फॉर दिस द 4 इज कॉमन टू बोथ, सो इवन 4 इज टेकन फॉर बोथ. So 1 is multiplied with the second bracket once it is written. 4 will also come here. So this m square will multiply to the second bracket, that is also written here. Okay, student? So this is what I have done. You go for the simplification further. So it is 4 m square C square. Go for simplifying this. Minus of 4 C square. A student, but अच्छे बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि जहां उनको ये 4 दिख गया, they can cancel this 4 because we can send this 4. Whatever 4 is here, even I can send this 4. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस 4 को पहले सबसे कॉमन ले लेंगे. दैट इज द बेस्ट वे. सो टेकिंग दिस 4 आउटसाइड, आप ये एक ब्रैकेट ले लीजिए. देखिए स्मॉल ब्रैकेट ऑलरेडी है इस क्वेश्चन में. सो टेक द मिडल ब्रैकेट, दो वी आर गोइंग टू रिमूव दिस स्मॉल ब्रैकेट. सो 4 मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज 4 इज टेकन कॉमन, क्योंकि 4 हर साइड हर जगह हम कैंसिल कर देंगे. और बहुत बार यहां से भी डायरेक्टली आप इस 4 4 4 को आप छोड़ सकते हैं. मींस ऐसे भी आप इसे लिख करके छोड़ सकते हैं. और इवन इफ यू आर टेकिंग इट आउट मींस द सेम थिंग. सो हाउ यू आर कन्वीनियंट, हाउ यू फील कन्वीनियंट, दैट अप्रोच यू हैव टू फॉलो. Minus of 4 is already taken out, so it becomes c square minus and minus plus of a square. It is this one. 4 is already taken out, so no need to write. But this m square will multiply to both these term inside the bracket. So minus of m square c square, and this minus before the m square will change the sign inside this bracket. It will turn into plus m square a square is equals to 0. Student, 4 cannot be 0, or sending this 4 in the denominator, the remaining term becomes 0. So this implies, is there anything that can be cancelled? Yes, these two are the opposite sign term. So what is left? This means minus of c square plus a square plus, what is this? m square a square is equals to 0. हमने क्या किए हैं, इस 4 को हमने इधर छोड़ दिए हैं, इसके डिनोमिनेटर में 4 लाते हैं. डिनोमिनेटर में जब मैं 4 लाऊंगा तो ये भी 0 हो जाएगा, तो बाकी 0 हो जाता है. ओके, सो मीन द सेम थिंग. So go for simplifying this. So what is required? Requirement is bringing the c on one side and the other thing on the other side. Keep this c on one side और c को आप दूसरे साइड लेकर के जाइए. a स्क्वायर प्लस m स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू c स्क्वायर. मैं इस साइड ले गया. अभी इस दोनों में देखिए a स्क्वायर इज कॉमन, सो 1 प्लस m स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू c स्क्वायर. और rewrite this c square on this side is equals to a square 1 plus m square. This way it is proved. So proving के जो क्वेश्चन इस पे फ्रेम किए जाते हैं, they are very easy. You have to go for simplification. I think this was the same thing what was asked here. See, it is c square equals to a square bracket 1 plus m square. The same thing. So this way proving is done. A student, so in question number 118, it is for no real root. No real root means what? It should be less than 0. But आपको same simplification करना है. If AD not equals to BC, then prove that this have no real root. No real root means b square minus 4ac term that will come, that you have to prove less than 0. Means that is not positive. So how to prove? You please try. If you cannot do it, I will solve this 118 tomorrow. Coming to 119. So 119, the root of the quadratic equation are equal, then you have to prove the same thing whatever I have done in 117. The same question is this. Here coefficients are different, you will get the different result, but the same technique you have to apply. Is it okay, student? Can we stop the class today now? Okay. So please do these questions. इसके लिए आपको मैं अभी इधर ही पोस्ट करता हूं. आप ये देखिए, ये अभी आपके व्हाट्सएप में चला गया है. आप यदि अपना व्हाट्सएप देखेंगे तो आपको मिल जाएंगे ये, क्योंकि ये वट एवर दिस क्वेश्चन आई हैव कलेक्टेड, दिस इज स्टिल नॉट शेयर टू यू. तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा इसको आपको शेयर करने का. ये सब क्वेश्चन आप करेंगे घर में. स्टूडेंट, जो भी आपको हम होमवर्क देते हैं आप फिनिश करते चलते हैं कि बैकलॉग रखते हैं क्या? प्लीज फिनिश द होमवर्क. व्हेन इट इज गिवन ऑन द सेम डे, यू प्लीज फिनिश द होमवर्क. अदरवाइज आपके होमवर्क बाद में इतने ज्यादा हो जाएंगे कि आप फिनिश नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो दैट क्रिएट्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम एट द एंड. आप ज्यादा क्वेश्चन मैथ्स के नहीं करके जाएंगे तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत ही पुअर रहेगा. स्टूडेंट, ये देखिए 32 से भी 36 तक, दिस ऑल्सो यू हैव टू डू. आई एम ऑल्सो पोस्टिंग द सेम थिंग इन योर व्हाट्सएप. तो ये देखिए आपका व्हाट्सएप अभी ओपन हो गया आपके ग्रुप का, और ये क्वेश्चन आपके व्हाट्सएप में जा चुका है, आप देख सकते हैं. Students, this was all about our today class. So write down the homework. So homework, questions given, जो कि हमने व्हाट्सएप में भी पोस्ट किए, ये एक पार्ट है। इसके अलावा अपने टेक्स्ट बुक का हम कौन सा क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं? टेक्स्ट बुक, लेट मी गो फॉर द टेक्स्ट बुक ऑल्सो। सो टेक्स्ट बुक के ये हैं आपके एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4.4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड 2। आपका बुक ये खत्म हो गया है, मीन्स जो मेन कॉन्सेप्ट है वो खत्म हो गए हैं। एक दिन अगले दिन और भी हम इस पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे एंड आपको एक दो क्वेश्चन कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर का करके दिखाएंगे, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम कैसे फ्रेम करते हैं वो करके दिखाएंगे। एक्सरसाइज वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स के क्वेश्चन आप छोड़ दीजिए, अभी मैं जब करवाऊंगा तब आप ये वर्ड प्रॉब्लम कर पाएंगे। दिस थिंग आई थिंक वी हैव डन ऑलरेडी। 4.3 एग्जाम्पलर का टेक्स्ट बुक 4.4 question number 1 and 2. I think 1 we have already done, then do at least the second question. And our exemplar problem 4.3, this was already given as the homework, and 4.4 ke question number 1 and 2. Please do this much. At least whatever the question I have posted in the WhatsApp, you please finish this, and whatever the question we have discussed, आप ये क्वेश्चन व्हाट्सएप में नहीं है तो आप अपने वीडियोस खोल करके देखिए, तो ये क्वेश्चन सब आपको दिखेंगे। आप उधर वीडियो को पॉज करिए और आप देखिए। हाँ, आप ऐसे कर करके आप सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस को आप देख सकते हैं कि व्हाट एवर द क्वेश्चन आई हैव गिवन, दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस। तो इन सारे सारे क्वेश्चंस को आपको करने हैं। एनी डाउट देन प्लीज आस्क, अदरवाइज वी शैल स्टॉप द क्लास। वी कैन नॉट गो फॉर न्यू टॉपिक, अदरवाइज आई नीड अनदर 45 to 50 मिनट। स्टूडेंट स्टॉप करेंगे? Okay, good. All the students are in the open